Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to take this time to say welcome. We would love to have you join the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. We are making a fancy deer for the holidays, so if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. So this is a metal deer that we sprayed white off camera for time's sake. We are now spraying it pearl by Martha Stewart. All materials used will be listed in the description bar below this video. We're going to Mod Podge and glitter each section until the deer is completely covered in glitter. We applied 3 coats of glitter to the reindeer. We applied 2 coats of glitter off camera and 1 on camera. If you want yours even more glittery, then you can apply an extra coat or 2. We are cutting out faux fur to apply to the deer's neck and feet. There is so much you can do with your reindeer. You can dress it up or dress it down. You can have plenty of fun with it. You can make it really fancy. You can put brooches on your reindeer. We will show you how it looks also with a brooch put on the reindeer. So if you decide you want to do it that way, you can. We'll show you how it looks with the brooch as well. So we did this part off camera. It's self-explanatory, very simple and easy to do. You just put a brooch on to the material, and then you will apply like a beading or either a heavy glitter onto the back side of the deer. So it's an easy process to do, and we're just going to go on and keep it like this. It looks very nice and very fancy, and we will just add it to our Christmas collection for this year. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.